Hey everyone, today we'll see the Roborock Qrevo Curv, one of the most eagerly awaited robot vacuum cleaners of late 2024. It is presently available for pre-order and is expected to be released in December. This robot is ready to establish new standards in the cleaning robot industry because of its sophisticated features and remarkable capabilities. With its unprecedented suction force of 18,500 Pascals, the Roborock Qrevo Curv guarantees outstanding cleaning results. It stands out thanks to its special turbo brush, which keeps hair from tangling, and its capacity to raise its body to get over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high. It can clean thoroughly even along baseboards and walls, thanks to its long side brush and creative edge cleaning mop. Advanced object detection and navigation round out these features. The Qrevo Curv has a self-cleaning dock that, as one might anticipate from a flagship gadget, cleans its mops with hot water and dries them with warm air in addition to emptying the garbage. It is a complete house cleaning and monitoring system with a built-in camera and a voice assistant. The feature set of the Qrevo Curv is on par with or better than that of many of its rivals. The robot vacuum machine, a docking station, a power adapter, mop holders, an extra dust bag, and a user handbook are all included in the box. The vacuum has a sleek, contemporary design, measuring only 103 millimeters in height and having a round, white appearance. The reactive AI obstacle recognition technology includes robots' onboard sensors and cameras, which are outfitted with LED illumination to detect obstacles. It can precisely avoid a variety of things thanks to its technology, albeit our tests showed that it could do better in low light. For mop cleaning, 80 milliliters internal water tank is automatically refilled at the dock. In addition to a normal disposable bag for collecting waste, the dock has 4-liter tanks for clean and filthy water. The Qrevo Curv performed exceptionally well in perimeter and snake pattern cleaning during navigation tests, leaving no regions uncleaned. In order to maintain the steady performance throughout, it quickly went back to its dock to rinse mops in between jobs. Its remarkable adaptability is demonstrated by its market record ability to pass thresholds up to 4 centimeters high. The vacuum performed well in well-lit object identification testing, correctly detecting things on the map and carefully avoiding the majority of objects. Its capacity to identify and steer clear of obstacles, however, dramatically declined in total darkness, indicating a possible improvement area. The robot successfully cleaned debris from gaps up to 8 millimeters deep in its maximum mode, confirming the manufacturer's claims during the suction power testing. However, because smaller gaps needed more passes to be completely cleaned, some aerodynamic losses were observed. During extensive real-world testing, the Qrevo Curv also showed remarkable endurance and usefulness. By successfully reducing hair entanglement, the new turbo brush design made maintenance easier. All things considered, the Roborock Qrevo Curv is a major advancement in robot vacuum technology. Although there are a few small areas for development, especially in the areas of aerodynamic efficiency and low-light object identification, its strong suction, sophisticated cleaning capabilities, and intuitive design make it an appealing option. The Qrevo Curv is a great investment for anyone looking for a high-performance robot vacuum with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will leave them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.